13. 4 different conditions under which sodium chloride was electrolyzed using the inert electrodes that are being listed. Number 1, they use concentrated aqueous sodium chloride. Number 2, dilute aqueous sodium chloride. Number 3, molten sodium chloride. And number 4, solid sodium chloride. Okay, under which condition would the green gas be formed? Okay, in this case, this green gas that we know is always chlorine gas. Okay, so in this case, if let's look at the option. For option 1, for concentrated aqueous sodium chloride, in this case, chloride ion will be preferably discharged at the anode because this concentration always rules. Okay, because it's concentrated aqueous sodium chloride, we only care about the more concentrated one. Okay, so the cation we have here should be my sodium, and anion here we should have our chloride anion and our hydroxide anion. However, since we have a high concentration of chloride anion, so this will be preferably discharged and this produce my chlorine gas. Okay, so option 1 is definitely correct. So we can cancel out C and D. Okay, let's take a look at option 2. Okay, now if we change it to a dilute aqueous sodium chloride, in this case, we will know that there will be a higher concentration of the OH minus anion as compared to our chloride anions. So in this case, if this is higher, the OH minus anion will be preferably discharged. And in this case, this will form my oxygen at the anode, and this will not produce a green color gas. Okay, so option 2 is out. Option 3, when a molten sodium chloride is being used, okay, chloride anions will be discharged at the anode and only chlorine gas will be produced because there is no interference of the water, the hydroxide anions. So option 3 is correct. Option 4, okay, solid sodium chloride here does not have any mobile ions, hence it cannot undergo our electrolysis and no chlorine gas will be produced. So option 4 is definitely out. Answer here is 1 and 3. Answer B. Okay. Okay, question 14. Now, aqueous copper sulfate is being electrolyzed using a positive carbon electrode and a negative copper electrode. Now, in this case, we have to understand what is an inert and non-inert electrode. And in this case, since my aqueous copper sulfate is being electrolyzed, okay, let's